Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer and welcome to Best Kept Plans. Today's video is going to be a plan with me for the week of October 20th through the 26th, 2025 using my A5 notebook from Archer and Olive. If you're interested in seeing that, please stick around. Here we are in my A5 notebook. I'm going to be going with a grid layout for this week's spread. I'll be using this leaf stencil from the Crafter's Workshop. I'll be using this autumn quotes sticker sheet from According to Allie. I'll be adding in these number stickers, days of the week stickers, and also this month's sticker sheet from my Happy Place stickers. And I'm going to be incorporating these 3 different colored distressed oxides. When I decided that my theme for the month of October was going to be leaves, I knew that I wanted to incorporate this stencil into one of my spreads. I used this for a weekly spread, I think a couple of years ago, and I did it during the fall time. I used different colors like fall leaf colors to show the leaves changing colors for fall, and I loved the way that that came out. So I decided that I wanted to do something similar for this week's spread, but more simplified in just having a couple of leaves in this bottom right corner here. I also decided I didn't want to use any red. I thought that would be too overpowering, so I stuck with some green, yellow, and orange for the colors for this week, and I really like the way that those stenciled leaves came out. I think their orientation in that bottom corner is really good, and again, I wanted that to be like the focus of this spread. I wanted it to feel like a simple spread, but a very fall specific spread. With those stenciled leaves down, I am going in with these dates and days of the week stickers for the entire week, and then I'm going to add in this quote sticker from According to Allie, which is absolutely perfect given what the deco for this week is, and I'm also adding in this October month sticker. Now that all of my stickers, all of my deco is done, I'm going in with my Micron in 08 to put in the lines to separate each day of the week. And once we have those lines in, we're going to be done with this spread. Again, this is a very simple spread. I tend to go much more simple when it's a grid layout because I just don't have as much room, but I wanted the leaves to be the focal point, and I think that I did accomplish that when looking at this spread. My eye goes immediately to the bottom right corner, which is perfect. I hope that you all enjoyed this plan with me, and as always, everyone, please be safe. Bye-bye.